People often ask me, what are the best tuning forks to get started with? So if you've been curious about tuning forks and maybe want to give them a try, but don't know where to begin, we've created a little starter kit for you. My name is Eileen McKusick, and I'm the creator of a sound therapy method called Biofield tuning. I'm the author of a couple books, and I'm the inventor of a line of high-quality tuning forks, as well as unique tuning fork accessories. So we have 4 items in our little starter kit. One of them is a weighted fork. This is called the Sonic Slider. The other fork is an unweighted fork, and this one is 174 hertz. This is a hockey puck tuning fork activator, and this is a handy 2-sided laminated Biofield anatomy map. So let me tell you just a little bit about each one and a tiny bit on how you use them. So the weighted forks are generally designed to be used on the body. The barrels at the end sends the vibration down the handle and into the body. This one has an especially long handle, so it can be used a few different ways. You can activate it simply by hitting it on the heel of your hand or hitting it against the puck. And you can also take something like a folded up washcloth and put it on a sturdy table, or maybe your bathroom counter and hit it on that. So you activate it, you make sure that you don't hold the tines because that will stop the vibration, okay? You can hold it down here, but not up there. And you can simply place the handle on any part of the body that you like and feel how your body feels when that vibration goes into it, right? What most people discover is that it helps them to relax. And this is what everyone needs to do, is to relax. It's very simple. Tuning forks help you to relax. When you relax, blood, electricity, lymph, energy flows more freely with less resistance. And then you have more energy and you feel better and you breathe more freely. So that's what the aim for me when I use tuning forks with people is simply to help them to relax. Okay? So if shoulders are tight, you can hold it in the tight traps. You can let the vibration run all the way out past 0. Sometimes that's where the deepest relaxation happens, is after the vibration stops. You can also, because of the long handle, slide it on the body. Use it like a dry brush. And if you do it with firm pressure, it can firm up muscles and skin. People also use it on their bellies to firm and tighten bellies and also to improve digestion. You can use it to relieve TMJ. You can use it to relieve neck pain, or if you feel a headache coming on. It really has all kinds of uses. And when you get these, you'll get instructional videos specifically on how to slide them on your whole body. Some people even lose weight doing it. I know that I did. So that's the Sonic Slider. The 174 hertz fork, or any unweighted forks, are designed to be used around the body. These don't really work putting the handles on the body because you don't really feel the vibration. You can hear it. You activate it against the hockey puck, and then the primary action in Biofield tuning is what we call field combing, and it's going to the outer boundary of the biofield, which is about 6 feet away on average with most people. Slowly combing through the field, paying close attention to how the vibration feels in your fingertips and what you might be hearing. Also, what you're feeling in your own body. If you stop breathing or suddenly feel anxious, that's a sign. What you're doing when you're combing through the field with a vibrating tuning fork is reading the record of somebody's life. That's right. And that is all detailed pretty clearly in the Biofield anatomy map, which shows you that if you encounter resistance or intense energy in any particular zone, you can plot it on the map. So if you're about 3 feet away from somebody in their right knee and they're 60 years old, you are going to be encountering a memory that was generated when they were 30 years old. And what's cool about using tuning forks in this way is that simply by finding and staying in these spots that are dissonant, the body hears and feels itself and relaxes. And you can feel when the resistance gives way. It's pretty neat and it's pretty simple, and you can do it on people and you can do it on pets and you can do it on plants. It's pretty hard to hurt somebody with tuning forks, but you always want to be careful. Less is more with anybody who's really sick or with young people, old people. All right, so trust yourself and always err on the side of caution if you're not sure. If you want to learn more than just these basic things that I just explained, there's lots of different ways to do that as well. My book, Tuning the Human Biofield, explains all of it in the, I'm not sure which chapter, but it absolutely tells you how to do what we call an adjustment in biofield tuning. Comb in through the field, bring everything to the midline, and then focus the energy. If you're excited about this work and this ability to help people to relax, you can go all the way and become a certified biofield tuning practitioner. It's an extremely rewarding profession. I've enjoyed it so much. And there's plenty of other things to learn too about the sonic slider. I have a 21-day series to get you in the habit, a few different sonic slider master classes, and other instructional videos, all available at biofieldtuningstore.com. But to just get started, these 2 forks, the sonic slider, the 174, and the Activator are a great place to start. And the map is really handy too. In addition to finding stuff in the field, it also tells you about trigger points that you find in the back and what the underlying mental or emotional issues that might be present there. So you can use a biofield tuning sonic slider on any of those trigger points and it will absolutely help them to release. So the starter kit available at biofieldtuningstore.com.